Hey guys, Danny here at Partay. So it would seem that Ken was upset this morning. But let me go ahead and start out the video on the right foot. The whole thing was a lie. What I mean by the whole thing was a lie, Ken has known for more than a year that he couldn't purchase. He's tried on numerous occasions. If folks remember, he had said a little over a year ago that he was going to have 60 people. He was up to 60 people that were coming after my product. But yet none of those people ever showed up. And the only one who kept trying to show up was Ken. My website gives me the tracking on it. He's known for more than a year he can't purchase. So this whole thing today by him was just a show. He knew he couldn't buy. He knew he was not going to be able to get it in and get it on his table. And it's just another means for him to try to avoid the Face the King challenge. But at this point, it doesn't matter, Ken. We're not asking you anymore. I'm telling you, you're going to face the fucking king. Like it or not, you're going to. And it will ruin you. And I will smile. And people will be happy. And the world will be at peace. And you will still be the same scumbucket that you are now. And that's what that means. Get your testicles out of the water bucket. We're talking about the bucket that you crap in your shed. So drag those things out of the bucket. Or leave them in there. Doesn't really matter anymore. Because the Kenneth Bird exercise is well on its way. Get ready. It's going to be fun.